Hey guys, it's Cobra. I'm at Walmart doing my thing. Checking out what they got new. And I got some surprise for you guys. They got the Tokyo Major scenes out. It's pretty cool. Some unwanted M2s. But take a look at this. Take a look. Color shifter trucks. Safari 3 got Gravedigger. This one, that's the only 3 I've seen so far. And that's backwards Bob and Stone Crusher. Why is this on Stone Crusher's card? That's weird. Let's take a look. Goes to a darker light blue. Gravedigger. So that's going to be an interesting color shifter. Goes from a purple to a green. Stone Crusher. Yellow to blue. Also, we got the next wave of color shifters. The Chrysler Bring, Aeroflash, Shark Cruiser, the GTO, Superfasto, and the Chrysler. Again, everything except the Chevy panel and Bel Air. Road Trippin' series. There's a quarter mile. Everything's here except the Dodge Charger, the Corvette. Oh, scratch that. There's the Corvette. So everything here but the Dodge Charger. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Yep, everything but the Dodge Charger's here. And take a look at this, guys. Look. Roll back. 84 cents Hot Wheels at Walmart. What I'm taking. Another pickup. Aero pickup. Camaro and Firebird. Till next time. Later.